Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about discount rate formula. This formula is generally used in case of bonds or any other security where the final redemption price is available and we have to find out what is the present price could be there for that security. So the formula syntax is DISC and the variables which are used are settlement, maturity, price, redemption and basis. A discounted security does not pay periodic interest but has a specified redemption value at a maturity. What does it mean? That during the course of period, generally in case of discounted security, the interest payment will not be there. And on the maturity, the customer will get the higher redemption price. So let us try to understand it by an example. Assume issue date of a security is 1st of May 2021. Settlement date is 20th of June 2021. Maturity date is 1st of May 2026. Redemption value. This is the value which will be received by the investor on maturity date, that is 100 rupees. Basis is basically the day count convention. So in bonds, we use 30 by 360, that is the US convention. In India, we also use actual by 365, but for this example, we will go by 30 by 360 basis convention. This convention says that every month is going to be of 30 days tenor. In practically, we know that February is sometimes of 28, sometimes of 29 days, and some months are of 31 days also. But for calculation of bond, we are using 30 by 360 formula. And the present price is 87.50. So using this variables, we are going to work out the discount rate. So let's try to work it out. I have already worked out here. Simultaneously, I will use it a separate cell to work it out for you. So go to the insert tab function, select the DISC formula, put the settlement date, put the maturity date. PR is the security price per 100 face value. So this is the present price, 87.50 will come here. And redemption is the security redemption value. So this is the security redemption value. Basis is the day count convention, as we have discussed. You can simply Google it. You will find 0 will be for 30 by 360. Similarly, 3 will be for actual by 365. Like that, other variables will be there for different day count conventions. So we will use 0 here and press enter. This cell we need to convert it into percentage. So for converting into percentage, just select the cell and click right click, and then this format cell tab will open. In that you have to select percentage. So 2.57 is the discount rate at which this security is being issued, and the security is for 5 years tenor. Hope hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.